Imagine waking up to find money in your bank account without lifting a finger. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, today we're diving into powerful passive income ideas that can help you make money while you sleep. But be warned, missed opportunities could cost you a fortune. Let's get started. Segment 1. What is passive income? First, let's clarify what we mean by passive income. It's money earned with minimal effort after the initial setup. For those of you aged 18 to 40, striving to make wise financial decisions, embracing passive income can be your ticket to a wealthy lifestyle. Imagine trading your time for financial freedom instead of dollars. Sounds enticing, right? Segment transition, building curiosity. But what are these opportunities? Stick around, because we're about to explore some incredible ideas that could change your financial future. Segment 2, real estate investing. First up is real estate investing. Picture owning a rental property that generates income while you sip coffee on your balcony. Many young adults feel overwhelmed by real estate, but with options like Airbnb or real estate investment trusts, REITs, it's more accessible than ever. Who knew your spare room could become a vacation hotspot? Talk about turning your home into a mini hotel. Segment transition, engaging the audience. Curious how to find the right property? Hang tight, as we'll cover the best tips later. Segment 3. Create an online course. Next, consider creating an online course. If you have expertise in a subject, be it cooking, coding, or even knitting, why not share it? Platforms like Udemy and Teachable allow you to reach a global audience, and once your course is up, it can generate income indefinitely. Think about the excitement of earning money while empowering others to learn. It's not just about income, it's about impact. Segment transition, connection to the next idea. But before you hit record, let's discuss how to effectively market your course. Segment 4, dividend stocks. Now let's talk about dividend stocks. These are shares in companies that pay you a portion of their profits regularly. Imagine earning money simply for being a shareholder. If you invest wisely, this can provide a steady stream of income. Who wouldn't want to feel like a corporate mogul while cashing in dividends? You can finally say, I make money in my sleep. Segment transition, building suspense. Now, you might be wondering which stocks to choose. Don't go anywhere. I'll share my top tips for selecting the best dividend stocks soon. Segment 5, affiliate marketing. Next is affiliate marketing. By promoting products or services online, you earn a commission for every sale made through your referral. It's a fantastic way to monetize your blog or social media presence. Picture this, waking up to notifications of sales while you slept. That's not just exciting, it's liberating. Segment transition, teasing the next topic. Wondering how to find the right affiliate programs for you? Stay tuned, because I'll reveal some excellent resources shortly. Segment 6, print on demand. Let's dive into print on demand. If you're creative, platforms like Redbubble or Printful let you design custom products, t-shirts, mugs, you name it. You create the design, they handle the printing and shipping, and you earn money without the hassle. Imagine selling a world's okayest boss mug while you snooze. Who knew passive income could be so fun? Segment transition, piquing interest. Curious about which designs sell best? Stick around. I've got those insights coming up. Segment 7, writing a book or ebook. Finally, let's talk about writing a book or ebook. If you have a story or expertise to share, publishing your work can be rewarding both financially and personally. Once it's out there, it can continue generating income for years. Think about the legacy you could leave. Your words could inspire others while adding to your bank account. Talk about a win-win. Today, we've explored 7 powerful passive income ideas that can help you make money while you sleep. The fear of missing out on financial freedom should motivate you to act now. Your future self will thank you. If you found these ideas inspiring, hit that subscribe button and join our community. For a deeper dive into each of these strategies, check out my video on how to make your first $1,000 in passive income. Your journey to financial freedom starts today.